Okay, let's go e4 this game. Now I'm going to play knight f3 again. I'm going to play the Scotch just to give you guys an example. Again, I think generally openings that open both the diagonals earlier are very critical. I'm going to go knight b3 here. Now I'm going to develop the bishop and castle the king very quickly. Keep this idea alive as well. So now I'm going to play it right away, actually. I have knight c3, and just like that, I've got exactly what I want. All this quick development, castle the king, and this is very, very good. Now I could take and play knight d5, which is reasonable. Bishop g3 probably simpler, just to keep ideas like f4 and e5 alive here. I'll go f4, maybe f5, maybe e5. The bishops support both pawn thrusts in the center of the board here. My dog stepped on a bee. Ouch. That could be bad. Oh, did he get stung or something in the paw? That doesn't sound good. Go queen f3. Now again, very simple play. I'm gonna play rook e1 and e5 here. Oh, is that a troll? Oh, it's a joke. Okay, I'm gonna go e5 here and open up the center of the board here for the bishops. I'm gonna take the knight and I'm gonna play rook d1, and he has a slight problem with this pin on the d file here to deal with. Slight problem. Also, the bishop is well placed to come back into the game in a second. Now I have check. I hit the knight and the king at the same time as game over. I actually didn't watch the whole thing from start to finish, so no, I'm missing the joke. Okay, now I simply have one extra horse and I win the game quite quickly. E4. Now I'm gonna go knight d5, hit the bishop, the pawn, the fork. It's all very, very bad. I guess I'll make the check. He moves the king and I just trade the towers and I win the one dangerous pawn, which he just resigns.